and I am here today to tell you a little bit about my newly created inventory system and how you can have an inventory system for your reselling business that is literally the easiest inventory system you could ever imagine. I think I've been pretty transparent on my channel about being unorganized and kind of a mess. I've been reselling on Etsy for 10 years. More recently have been cross-posting to Poshmark, eBay, was doing Mercari, been doing Depop, a little bit of Grailed, but lots of different platforms. Up until maybe August, in 9 years, actually, it's been since 2009. That's 11 years. Math isn't my strong suit, but you know. So in all these years since 2009, I've never had an inventory system until August. I literally just look for it. I would get stressed out. I would get sweaty. I would not know where it was. Sometimes I would be like, I'm gonna have to tell this person that I lost it. I'm gonna have to do a refund. Like, it was a mess. And for some reason, I didn't even think of making an inventory system until I started watching all these other resellers talking about their inventory systems. To be honest, everyone I watched was like way too organized. I don't have the patience to make like a spreadsheet and put everything in bags first and then put the little bags in the bins and like inventory numbers, blah, blah, blah. It was a lot, too much. So if you are someone who is not organized, does not want to be very organized, and just wants a simple way to keep your inventory findable, watch this video. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're interested in reselling, vintage, thrifting, or eco-friendly fashion content. Hit the bell to be notified so you never miss a thing from me, and we'll be friends. Nice to meet you. So for this inventory system, all you need is Google Drive or any kind of word processing system on your computer and some bins, like big plastic. Some people call them totes. I'm not a tote girl. I call it a bin. But you know, just the clear plastic. Not even clear. Some of mine are clear. Some of them aren't clear. Some are big. Some are little. Just something to put the clothes in. You need some bins. You need a Google document. A document on a computer. All that I do is I label each bin with a letter. I have bin A, B, C, D, and so forth. I have all the bins that are full in the basement. I have one bin that stays in the office with me while I'm listing, and as I list the item, I put it in the bin. When I put it in the bin, I go in my Google document, which says the bin name, and then underneath, I just write a description of what the item is. Say I'm putting in, you know, a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. It would be like Tommy Hilfiger plaid shirt, size medium. And that's it. If I have bin B here, drop the shirt into bin B, write in my document under bin B, Tommy Hilfiger plaid shirt, and that is it. If you had things that were very similar, I might put like an inventory number or something. Like if you had like 20 Tommy Hilfiger plaid shirts, I might write in the SKU box like 1 and then put in there Tommy Hilfiger plaid shirt 1, and then you will just search that. Then when the bin fills up, I close it and take it down to the basement. Then when I sell something, I just go in the document and do Control F to find and type in some words that describe the item. If I sold that shirt, I would just search like Tommy Hilfiger. Then I would find where it was in the list and it would tell me what bin it is. I will go and retrieve the item, and that is all that you have to do. It's that easy. It seems so obvious, and I don't know, everyone might think this is just a very unsophisticated inventory system, which it is, but it works. I have not lost an item since then. I'm able to go find it quickly, and it works for me. What do you think? Do you think this sounds like something simple that you could do? I think anyone can do it, and you know, it's gonna make your life easier if you were like me and you just had things everywhere. This has definitely improved my business. You don't have to get too overcomplicated. Things can still be simple and still make your life easier. Let me know what you think. What's your inventory system? Tell me in the comments below, and I'll catch you in my next video.